If you're on the hunt for the best hair clippers for fades, you're in the right place. After trying countless models, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 hair clippers that will give you that perfect fade every time. Whether you're a professional barber or just cutting your own hair at home, these clippers offer the precision and ease you need. So, if you're eager to find out which clippers will suit your style best, stick around until the end. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to watch the whole video to catch all the details. And don't forget, all the purchase links are in the description. Let's begin. Moving on to the Glaker Cordless Hair Clippers K8, which has been getting a lot of attention lately. I've been testing these out for a few weeks now, and I can see why people are talking about them. Let's start with what really matters. These are completely cordless, which is honestly such a relief. You know how annoying it is when you're trying to get those clean lines around the back, and the cord keeps getting in your way? Well, that's not an issue here. The battery life is pretty impressive too. You get about 5 hours of total runtime, which means you won't need to charge it after every couple of cuts. The motor on this thing is no joke, running between 6,000 to 7,000 revolutions per minute. It cuts through thick hair like butter. What I really appreciate is how quiet it runs. You can actually have a conversation while using it, which is nice if you're cutting someone else's hair. Now, the blades. They're made of 440C stainless steel, and you can really feel the quality. When you're using them, you get 15 different guards for fading, plus that adjustable taper lever that gives you even more control. I've found it works great for both tight fades and more gradual blends. The build quality is solid too. The metal housing has this textured grip that feels secure in your hand, even during longer cutting sessions, and the light-emitting diode display is actually useful. It shows you exactly how much battery you've got left, so you're not caught mid-fade with dead clippers. But look, it's not perfect. If you're planning to do detailed mustache work, you might find the lowest settings aren't quite as precise as you'd want. Also, while the guards work fine, they could be better. Magnetic guards would have been a nice upgrade here. For the price point though, these clippers deliver way more than you'd expect. They're giving some of the more expensive brands a run for their money, whether you're cutting at home or working professionally. I'll drop a link below if you want to check them out for yourself. The Fadeking cordless hair clippers have been my GOTO for the past few weeks, and there's something crucial you should know about their battery performance. We've all been there when clippers run out of juice halfway through a haircut. Thankfully, these offer about 5 hours of cordless operation, allowing you to complete multiple cuts without the hassle of frequent recharging. It's a game changer when you're in the middle of perfecting a fade. The cutting power is genuinely impressive. I've tested these clippers on various hair textures, and they glide through thick hair without snagging or pulling, an issue common with less expensive models. The blade adjustment is seamless, which is a big plus when you're aiming for those smooth fade transitions. Plus, the motor operates quietly, so you won't disturb the entire household during a late-night trim. What stands out is the comprehensive package. You receive 9 guard attachments, a cleaning brush, and even a barber cape. The grip is comfortable, which is essential for precision work on detailed cuts. Let's be honest, though, it's not without flaws. The zinc alloy body gives it a premium look, but adds some weight, which can be tiring during extended use. Also, while the main blade excels, the T-blade attachment could be sharper for intricate detailing. However, considering the price, these clippers exceed expectations. I've used pricier models that don't perform nearly as well. In summary, if you're searching for dependable clippers that excel at fades without costing a fortune, these are worth a look. Check the description below for the link to see the current price and more details. The Nova Cordless Barber Clippers set is a standout choice for anyone serious about achieving flawless fades. After a few weeks of testing, I can confidently say these clippers excel in handling thick hair without the annoying tugging. I've seen them in action at various barbershops, and they meet professional standards with ease. The blades are top-notch, and the set includes 6 guards and an adjustable head, covering all your styling needs. What really impressed me was their fading prowess. The click taper lever and dual speed settings make blending a breeze, ensuring smooth transitions. Plus, the included foil shaver is a fantastic addition for refining lines and achieving a sharp finish. The grip design is well considered, featuring a cross-ETCH texture that prevents slipping. Even when your hands are sweaty, the light-emitting diode display is a practical touch, letting you know exactly how much battery life remains, which is always appreciated. On the downside, these clippers aren't the most budget-friendly option, and they do have a bit of heft to them. Personally, I find the weight adds a sense of durability, but if you're doing multiple cuts in a row, you might feel it. One pleasant surprise is how quietly they operate. If you're dealing with kids who are sensitive to loud noises, these could be a real asset. While there are several features to get accustomed to initially, they become intuitive after a few uses. In conclusion, if you're committed to achieving precise fades at home, these clippers are worth considering. They're not without their flaws, but they deliver impressive results. Check the description below for a link to explore the specifications and current pricing. Let's dive into the Limural Pro Hair Clippers. Ever had those frustrating moments when your clippers snag or miss patches? These might just be the solution. The first thing that stood out to me was the motor, clocking in at 6,500 revolutions per minute, which is a game changer for achieving those crisp fades and intricate cuts. This kit is quite comprehensive, offering 22 pieces, including 13 guide combs. I've experimented with various styles using these, and it's refreshing to have so many options without needing additional purchases. The gold metal casing not only looks sleek, but also feels sturdy in your hand. I've used it for multiple cuts consecutively, and my hands stayed comfortable, which is always a bonus. One of most convenient features is the battery life. With around 5 hours of runtime, you're not constantly tethered to the charger. The LED display is a thoughtful addition, showing you the remaining battery life, and when it's time to oil the blades, super handy, in my opinion. However, it's not without its flaws. Some of the guards feel a bit unstable during use. It's not a major issue, but something to be aware of. The blade is decent, but if you're aiming for ultra-precise lineups, you might want something sharper. Despite these minor drawbacks, I must say, considering the price, these clippers are impressive. They perform almost on par with some of the more expensive models I've tried. If you're curious about the current price, check the link in the description. Whether you're looking to elevate your home haircut skills or need a dependable backup for professional use, these clippers are worth a look. Let's dive into the Wahl Magic Clip Hair Clippers. After using these extensively, I can confidently say they deliver impressive results for professional-level haircuts. The V9000 motor packs a punch, providing robust power that doesn't falter even when tackling thick hair. Unlike some other clippers I've tried that tend to bog down at crucial moments, what truly sets these clippers apart is their exceptional performance with fades. The zero-overlap blades are perfect for achieving those ultra-clean bald fades that are so popular right now. They're particularly effective for intricate work, especially when employing the clipper-over-comb technique. Plus, they handle a variety of hair types with ease. However, let's keep it real. These clippers aren't without their flaws. After about 30 minutes of continuous use, they do heat up a bit. It's not a major issue, but it's something to be aware of if you're planning on doing several cuts in a row. Another minor downside is the package contents. While you do get 8 attachment combs, there's a noticeable absence of ear taper guards. If you're accustomed to using those, you'll need to purchase them separately. Also, considering the price, a basic storage case would have been a welcome addition, but unfortunately, it's not included. On the brighter side, these clippers are incredibly comfortable to use. They're lightweight, and the ergonomic design ensures your hand remains fatigue-free, even during extended cutting sessions. Made in the United States of America, they're built to last. Just remember to keep them clean and oiled for optimal performance. In summary, the Wahl Magic Clips are reliable clippers that excel where it matters most. They're particularly well suited for fades and detailed work. While they have a few quirks, their overall performance makes them a worthwhile consideration. Check the description below for a link to see the current price and more details.